Hey guys, it's ARIBA and I'm back. I'm all back to natural. I'm dark again and I'm basically trying to focus on getting my hair back to the integrity and the health and the shine and the beauty that it was before I started bleaching my hair. A lot of you guys know I've been bleaching my hair for about 15 years now, and I recently just dyed it back to my natural color, and I'm just trying my hardest to kind of rejuvenate it and replenish it and just kind of bring it back to life. So right now I'm going to share with you guys a very easy hair serum that I've been using. It's very multi-purposeful and it is very flexible with the ingredients. So if you're missing one of the ingredients, that's okay. If you do have all of the ingredients, it's going to basically be like the most concentrated and a rich version of the serum. But if you're missing like an ingredient or two, I wouldn't stress about it too much. It's still going to be very beneficial. So let's get started. So the two main oils I'm going to be using in this serum are almond oil and jojoba oil. These two are basically going to be like the base for our serum. So I'm going to be storing my serum in this empty dropper bottle, and we're going to start off with almond oil first, and we're going to go in with about 2 tablespoons. And this oil is packed with like vitamins, fatty acids, proteins, antioxidants, so it's actually very replenishing for your hair. So the next oil I'm going to be using is jojoba oil. It adds tons and tons of moisture into your hair, but it also works as like a reparative oil because it penetrates like all the way into your hair. And now we're going to be going in with our essential oils. All of the essential oils that I'm going to be using today are very beneficial for the health of our hair. So first I'm going to go in with lavender oil, and we're going to go in with 7 drops. And this oil is going to add a lot of moisture and shine into our hair. And finally, we're going to go in with ylang essential oil, and we're going to go in with 7 drops. And this oil is great for replenishing dry and damaged hair. And now we're going to pour the mixture into a small bottle. I'm using a dropper bottle because this is going to be your best bet for the application of this serum. Make sure you give it a good shake, combine all of the oils together, and you can see when I'm applying it on the back of my hand just how much shine it's going to be adding into my hair. Look at all that moisture. Alright guys, so this is where my hair's at as the before. So you can see, I mean, it is reflecting a lot more light than it did when it was blonde, but it's still pretty dull. So I'm going to show you guys like kind of the before on one side and the after on the other side. So this is essentially what it ends up looking like. And the reason I don't mix too much of it is because you actually don't need a lot at all. And it's so fast and quick to make that when I run out, I just make it again. So all I'm going to take for all of this hair, and you guys know my hair is very thick. So you guys are obviously, if your hair is a lot lighter, you're going to use less. And if your hair is thicker, then you can add a few more drops. But I'm going to use about 6 or 7 drops of the serum, and I'm just gonna like rub it into the palms of my hands like so, okay? And then I'm just going to rub it into my hair mids to ends. You don't want to apply this straight on your scalp or the root. So I'm applying it while I'm rubbing it downwards to close the cuticle, so that's also going to help add to the shine factor. You don't want to like rub it into your hair like this because you're actually roughening up the cuticle layer, so it's going to actually prevent it from looking shinier. So I'm just going to rub it down like so, and it feels like, yeah, feels like it's in there. So that is what it looks like with the shine factor. And then this is what it looks like without the serum in my hair. It smells so good. So now I'm gonna just apply it on this side as well. So if your hair is fine, I would probably just like use maybe 3 or 4 drops. And if your hair is thicker, you can use up to like 10 drops. I'm using about 6 drops on each side. And you really want to make sure you rub it into your hands, because if you just apply it without rubbing it into your hands, it's not going to be dispersed evenly in your hair. It's all going to go to just like one spot. So you'll have like a greasy bit and then like a dry bit. So that's why I rub it into my hands, so that I can get it throughout everywhere as evenly as possible. And then just close that cuticle on the ends. Oh, I can just feel my hair like sucking it up. Drink, baby, drink. So there's also a couple of other uses for this oil. You can also use it as a hair mask, and you can add it into your hair conditioner in the shower and apply it in your hair mids to ends and leave it in your hair 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it out. And then you can also use it as a hair treatment by applying it in your hair mids to ends, and then just wrapping your hair and sleeping with it overnight. And when you do that, you're gonna wanna apply several more drops because you'll want it to be like almost over drenched for the overnight treatment. And another way to use it is how I'm basically using it, as kind of like a daily shine serum. So while it's like kind of working as like a styling product in my hair, it's also repairing my hair at the same time. So I'm going to be using this pretty regularly until my hair kind of comes back to life from like 15 years of bleaching. But so far I think with this we're on the right track. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more DIYs from me, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments and questions down below in the comments and I will get back to you guys. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!